Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are with Dr. Pranali Misra ma'am. She is working as principal in Swami Vivekananda College of Pharmacy, Bhopal. She is having total working experience of 17 years and has done B.Pharm in 2005 from Amravati University, Maharashtra, and M.Pharm in 2007 from Vinayaka Mission University, Tamil Nadu. She has also pursued PhD in Pharmaceutical Sciences in 2023 from LNCT University, Bhopal. She has done 9 international publications and written 3 book chapters in Elsevier publication. She has also guided 9 PG students. Ma'am, welcome to Thoughts on Education interview program from collegenia.com. Ma'am, you have held key position at Education Institute. What keeps you connected with the education sector?
Actually, being a principal of Swami Vivekananda College of Pharmacy, really it is a big milestone and it is a very key position which I am holding here. So, being in education sector, the main basic reason is to improve the education quality of pharmacy. Already a lot of work has been done here, but we are a small step to just take ahead all these things.
Ma'am, being the principal, what is your philosophy of leadership and how do you describe your leadership style?
I work only on a single funda that together we can. With the help of students, we can do so many things, and with the help of all the faculties, we can take all the students to the achievement level, whatever they deserve.
Ma'am, how does the curriculum ensure that it is best practice of industry?
Sir, PCI has been a very good curriculum, a very good syllabus and schemes. So, working on the same scheme and syllabus, it is possible for students to get acquainted with the industry, and there are so many exposures that we can take them for an industrial visit. We can take them to for some industrial tour. We can call some senior position, senior means administrative and senior employees from industry and get acquainted with them, and we can give so much exposure to the children regarding industry.
Ma'am, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and to the students are?
Sir, this is my first priority, that I will give very good quality education to my students. I will give all the possible exposure they need regarding marketing, regarding industry, means production, regarding research and development, whatever they wish, means what is the basic prime requirement, we are going to give them all those facilities.
Ma'am, what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know?
Actually, this is very old institution, almost 20 years. From 20 years, they are working as they are having Diploma College of Pharmacy. They have started their B.Pharm in 2019. This is the 6th year they are running their B.Pharma. But they have a good quantity of books. They have so many instruments, HPLC, UV, all those instruments that are necessary are there. Regular practicals are going on. For theory, they are having very good faculties. So college is providing all the basic needs so that we can produce good future for India.
Ma'am, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general?
So generally it is seen that today's generation is lacking regarding their attendance. They don't want to give their attendance. They want distance education that will work. We can do any other work, not technically only. They can do non-technical work, and we want to complete a degree. That is the biggest challenge. So we are working on that regular students should be there. They may be in diploma, they may be in bachelor's, or they may be in master's. We want regular degrees so that they can get the knowledge which they want to implement.
Ma'am, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Sir, only thing I want to share that I want to suggest is that be regular with whatever you do. And whatever you want, you suggest us, you tell us. We are here to provide all those facilities to you. We are giving all those things which are needed for you. But you can take us to more higher level. If you demand more from us, we'll definitely give it to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for doing the interview with the collegenia.com.
Thank you so much.